Hi, my name is Esigitia, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all into my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for checking back in. If you are new here, welcome, my love. I welcome you all, and I want to thank you for your continued support. So today we are going to answer the question, can a twin tub washing machine wash shoes? And I'm going to put into test different kind of shoes. We're going to do sandals, we're going to do sneakers, we're going to do sport shoes, Converse, plastic shoes, boots, and all that kind of shoes. And then I will tell you my own experience with this kind of a washing machine and how best it can clean shoes. Okay, so you can see me putting those different kind of shoes in the machine, and I can tell you for a fact that this washing machine is not a bad one, so long as you know how to maintain it, you know how to use it, you know what kind of shoes to wash, you know what kind of clothes to put in this type of machine. It's quite a good machine and I really like it. Okay, so as the video continues, you can see different type of shoes. And well, most people say when you're washing shoes in the washing machine or in a twin tub washing machine, first thing you do is remove the shoelaces, or then put your shoes in a mesh cloth, the ones that are used in washing machines for washing. Okay, but as you can see, I have not removed the shoelaces and I have not put my shoes in a wash cloth or in the mesh cloth, because I want to see what if I don't put it in that mesh bag. What if someone could only afford this washing machine but not the mesh bags? Or what if someone afforded this kind of a machine but have no access to those kind of mesh bags and all that? Okay, so there I was just showing you that the type of wash you need to be washing your shoes with is the gentle wash. Do not do a general wash unless the shoes are very, very, very dirty. But either way, even if the shoes are very dirty, you just need to wash them in a basin first to remove things like mud, soil. If your shoes are very dirty, like they have a lot of mud or they are soiled, please do not put them in the machine directly. Okay, just wash them separately, then put them into the machine. Okay, and now here I was just trying to spin them so that the water can be drained, and up to this point I can say this type of a washing machine is cool for washing all type of shoes except boots and maybe some shoes that have glue. They are glued on the edges. Okay, most of that will be damaged, the glue will come out. If the inner soles are sticked in, okay, if I would say I've seen it wash canvas very well more than any other type of shoe. Canvas are washing very well, and also something like plastic shoes, house shoes, those indoor shoes, they are being cleaned very well without being damaged. But for the rest, not really. Especially boots. Boots are being damaged very, very badly. Anyways, that's it for today, and I really appreciate for your support, guys. Let's continue with the same spirit. If you have any questions, please, I'll be glad to answer your questions. Okay, so that's it for today, and I love you all. Mwah.